Web design can feel like a challenge, especially when you're trying to make your WordPress website stand out. But with the right tools and understanding, it doesn't have to be. This course is for WordPress users who are familiar with the basics and want to dive deeper into design principles and how to apply them in WordPress. In this course, we'll focus on how you can use Gutenberg and Elementor, two popular tools in WordPress, to implement proven design strategies. It's not about teaching you how to use these tools, but about showing you how to apply the core design principles to create beautiful, functional websites with the tools. Throughout the 9.5 hours of video lessons, we'll cover a range of topics, including understanding visual hierarchy, typography, and color theory for web design. We'll look at the importance of responsive design and how to optimize websites for mobile and tablet use. We'll look at how you can plan and structure your website's content to ensure it works well for your audience, and practical steps to audit your site for accessibility and create a launch checklist. You'll see how to take these design concepts and use them in real-world scenarios, building home pages, templates, and landing pages for a website. By the end of the course, you'll have a solid understanding of how to design websites that not only look good, but are also functional and accessible. We'll also go over some of the common design mistakes people make and how to avoid them. It's all about making thoughtful design decisions that improve your site's usability, conversions, and overall user experience. If you're looking to improve your WordPress design skills and create websites that are responsive, user-friendly, and aesthetically pleasing, this course can help you get there. We'll guide you through the design process, helping you create websites that work well on any device. Hope to see you in the course. My name is Andy Williams, by the way, and I'll be the instructor on the course. I've been teaching on Udemy for over 10 years, and you can see my profile page here, currently 29 courses. This will be my 30th course. Before teaching on Udemy, I used to teach in a school. I taught kids up to the age of 18, biology and general science. I also write and publish books on Amazon. But that's enough about me. I hope to see you in the course.